Ready? Any last words?
It's gonna be nice to see the water beat up after I'm done. Next time it rains.